Alright guys, so for on the hair, I'm wearing a Face by Shanna Bamboo Loose Powder. So I'm just going to go ahead with my eyes, and my eyes are completely bare. And I'm going to go over with this brush that I used to blend out my brow concealer. And I'm just going to blend out the foundation on my eyes. Right, and then I'm going to be going in with Max Paint Pots, and I'm going to be using this angle brush from the Intensity in Paradise / POMI in Paradise. I'm going to use that to apply it. Then I'm going to get this brush from the Intensity in Paradise as well, taking my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to be going in with this color here. It's like a cream color, like a matte cream. Tapping that on my brow bone. And then all over my lid. I hope you guys hear me because Jonathan is sleeping. And you guys know I do my tutorials when he's sleeping most times. To take this blending brush again from the Intensity, from the POMI in Paradise. And I'm going to go in with this color right here first. And I'm putting that in my crease. And when I put the paint pot on my eyes, notice I went up in my crease a little bit so I could have this nice smooth transition. If I didn't go for my crease and just put it on my lid, the edges would have been jaggedy. Then I'm going to take this color right here. Same brush, didn't tap it off or anything. I'm going to focus that on the outside and then kind of feather it over. So on the outside, in my crease, and feathering it over. Take that off a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the paint pot again. I'm going to do the same thing to this eye. Then I'm going to take, I want to take Inglot number 63. It's actually a blush, not an eyeshadow. I believe in couple tutorials said eyeshadow. It's actually a blush. And I'm going to put that, not sure yet. Let me see how it looks. On the outside, just patting it on with the same brush. Have not switched brushes. So I'm just patting it in the crease. And this is very, very pigmented, so Clean the brush off a little bit. Then I'm going to blend out the edges. So I'm just going between my brow bone and where the number 63 end, and I'm just going back and forth just to blend the two. So I'm going to pull the brow bone color down, just blending a little bit better. Just going to pull it down. So when you pull it down, it gets a little bit into the burgundy. Pull it down a little bit into the burgundy, you see? So it's fusing the colors together, it's fusing the two colors together. Clean off my brush again. Getting that same, let me show you guys. The same white color here, that's on my brow bone and on my lid. I'm just taking that down in the center of my nose to make my nose come out some more. Alright, this is really sweet. Then I'm going to go in with the same color that I just used. I'm going back on my brow bone again. Alright, so that's what we have so far. I think, I'm not sure what else I want to do. So let me just pause this while I figure myself out. Then I'm going to be taking this gold from the palette, this gold color right here, and the pencil brush from the Dipped in Elegance set that will be bringing back next year, 2016. Taking the brush off a little bit. So I'm going to go with this color right now over here and put that in my crease just to deepen the top of it. You see, just add a little depth to the look. Into the difference, then to the other side. I'm going right into my crease, and this brush, as you can see, it bends to like fit my crease. You see, I love it. Then I'm going to take a black. You can get whatever black that you want. I'm going to get the black from my Lorac palette because it's literally right there. So Lorac palette, and I'm going to take black. Putting it just on the outside in my crease. So just on this area, because I want this area to have the depth, not the entire eye. Clean off the brush a little bit because I'm going to be using this same brush to blend. Clean off the brush. Alright, so then I'm going to be taking this bad boy right here, and let's just go with deep purple, this color. I'm going to put that on my lash line. kind of pull out a little bit to form that little wing there. I don't know how I did that. Specifically on this side. Oh, okay. So then I'm going to be just applying my mascara just a little bit though, because when I have on a lash, sometimes the real lashes show and it has the eyeshadow on them and it's really ugly. And I've done tutorials like that already and I don't like how it looks. So just adding a few coats on the top and on the bottom. Then I'm going to be applying my favorite lashes of all time. These are my Popular Kid lashes, and I doubled them up. So I'm just going to be stripping the glue off of them and reusing them. Alright, so Jonathan is up, so I can talk a little bit louder. Just going to blend this out some more because it's not looking too blended to me. Like on the camera it's looking so harsh, but in person you're not seeing any lines, but on the camera you're seeing all the lines. So okay, what I'm going to do next is my lips, and I'm going to take 912C from Wet n Wild, and it's in the color In the Flesh. Okay. Ooh. Ugh. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like pinky colors like this. But I'm gonna go with it because I'm sure somebody's saying, no man, not look awful. Line my lips with Miss Khaleej 206 lip liner. Alright, so I'm going to take Double Definition Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I'm going to take the darker side. I'm putting it right on the apple. You see that glow? Love it. I'm going to take the lighter side, and I'm using our Highlighting in Paradise from our POMI in Paradise set. Put it right under there. Wow. And right in the middle again here. Oh, I have in my contacts, but you guys probably figured that out. But yeah. Then I'm going to be using Motive's blush in Run Away, love, run away, love, run away, love. taking my angle brush from the POMI Paradise. Just putting that on the apples. I wanted to do my hair for you guys, and I'm afraid I don't have a makeup tutorial, but I'm heading out on the road today and I wanted to film, so that's that. Yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my makeup tutorials. Thank you so much for the support. I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and 100,000 of you. Thank you so much. Every time I look at it, I'm like, Jesus, I can't believe I own that YouTuber plaque though. So surreal. And of course my baby girl has a dream. By the way, these two thingies belong to two of you, so I'm gonna need to get on that. So bye guys.